Module 2, Topic Selection and Research Question. At this stage, you've been exposed to the mechanics of research, but now we move beyond mechanics. This is not about recalling definitions. It's about evaluating your thinking, because research is not a skill you perform, it is a way you think. And the quality of your thinking is most visible in one place, the way you define your question. So as you go through this assessment, don't answer quickly, answer carefully, because each question is designed to reveal how you think. Section 1. Identify good versus bad topic. Let's begin with a simple comparison. Which of these is a stronger research topic? Option A, social media and students. Or Option B, impact of daily Instagram usage on study time among high school students. Option A, technology and modern education. Or Option B, impact of daily smartphone usage on cognitive focus among undergraduate students. Section 2, Variables Test. Now let's test your understanding of variables. Look at this research question. How does screen time affect concentration among university students? Identify 1. The independent variable, 2. The dependent variable. Section 3. Research question design. Now let's test your ability to design a research question. Convert this topic into a proper research question. Sleep and students. Section 4. Feasibility check. Now let's test something deeper. Which topic is more feasible? Option A, the psychological evolution of human attention in the digital era. Option B, impact of smartphone usage on sleep quality among college students. Section 5. Concept to variable translation. Let's go deeper. Consider this concept, student motivation. Your task is not to define it. Your task is to make it measurable. Ask yourself, how would you translate this concept into a variable? Section 6. Multiple interpretations. Now consider this question. How does technology affect learning? How many different meanings can this question have? Section 7. Causal versus descriptive thinking. Identify the type of question. What is the average screen time among college students? Identify the type of question. How does screen time affect academic performance among college students? Section 8. Hidden variables. Consider this question. How does social media usage affect academic performance? Now think deeper. What other variables might influence this relationship? Section 9. Research scope control. Which topic is stronger? Option A, impact of social media on students worldwide. Or Option B, impact of Instagram usage on study time among urban high school students. Section 10. Time dimension. Consider this question. How does online learning affect student engagement? Now refine it using time. Section 11. Measurement validity. If you measure learning using grades alone, what might you be missing? Section 12. Refinement under constraint. You have 2 weeks to complete a study. Your topic is Impact of AI on Education. How would you refine it? Section 13. Assumption check. What assumption exists in this question? How does social media reduce academic performance? The assumption is social media reduces performance. Section 14. Depth through comparison. Which question is deeper? Option A. How does online learning affect students? Option B. How does online learning affect engagement compared to offline learning among high school students? Final reflection. Before we close, I want you to reflect on one thing. Can you clearly answer these 3 questions? What is your topic? What is your research question? And what are your variables? If your answer is clear, you're ready to move forward. If not, that's exactly where you need to focus. Because in research, clarity is not optional, it is everything.